How to gift a language on Rosetta Stone. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can gift a language on Rosetta Stone. And how do you do so? To gift a language, the first step is to open your browser and then in the search box type Rosetta Stone gifts page. Alright, and then once you've done that, you can see a number of blog posts showcasing how you can gift a language on Rosetta Stone. So ensure you select the first one which says give the gift of language, and then once you're on the page, scroll down and you would see how to go about it. You'll see instructions. Number first instruction is to select your gift, then fill out the gift recipient information with an optional message if you want, and then you can see the third step. Then the next step would be for you to choose your gift to get started. All right, so if the first gift you want is the lifetime access unlimited language, just go ahead and click on give your gift, and so you'll be taken to the next page. So on this page, the next step would be for you to enter in the recipient information, such as the person's name and your name, and then as well as your recipient email and the confirm recipient email. Then you can write a customized gift message to the person. All right, and then move to the right side. Once you're done filling this information, move to the right side and enter in your payment information, such as your full name, your email address, your country, zip code, card number, etc. And then once you're done, click on finish and pay. And then after clicking on finish and pay, the recipient will receive an email with an activation key. All right, and then the recipients can use the activation key to start learning their new language on Rosetta Stone, and you would also receive a receipt that the recipient has gotten the gift and he or she has started learning. So you can see how it is. So this is how you can gift the gifts of language on Rosetta Stone. It is very, very beautiful, and ensure you try it as soon as you can. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.